Manually copying data from messy websites is a slow, error-prone process. Every minute spent highlighting text and fixing spreadsheet formatting is a minute taken away from actual analysis. We are going to build an AI agent that automatically extracts hundreds of disorganized job listings into a perfectly formatted spreadsheet. This approach requires no manual coding. We will start with a blank folder and use an AI assistant to build a functional data extraction tool from scratch. To follow along, you need the VS Code editor, a paid Claude subscription, a free Firecrawl account, and the provided Claude.md file. Completing this build gives you a reusable system that can turn a sentence-long prompt into a clean dataset on demand. Start by opening a blank folder in VS Code. Install the Claude Code extension, then sign in with your Claude credentials to link the assistant to your workspace. Open your settings menu and search for Claude Code. Check the box labeled Allow Dangerously Skip Permissions. Enabling this permission allows the agent to run terminal commands and modify files autonomously, which removes the need for you to approve every individual step. We are organizing this build using the WAT framework, workflows for instructions, the agent for reasoning, and tools for specific actions. Drag the Claude.md file into your project and ask Claude to initialize. It will immediately build out your workflows, tools, and temporary directories. These directories give Claude a standardized environment where it can store the code it writes and the data it eventually collects. To scrape data from live websites, our agent needs a mechanism to browse and read the internet beyond its training data. We will use the Firecrawl MCP server. This acts as the agent's sense of sight, allowing it to navigate and extract content from live job boards. Copy your API key from the Firecrawl dashboard. Then, in the Claude chat, ask the agent to install the Firecrawl MCP server using the official setup command. Never paste your API key directly into the chat window. Instead, ask Claude to create a .n file where you can store your credentials locally and securely. Paste your Firecrawl key into that .n file. Make sure to save the file so the changes are locked into your project environment. Keeping your credentials in a separate, saved file prevents your sensitive API keys from being leaked into the AI's conversation. Scrape the job opportunities from that link and save them into a local Excel spreadsheet. In plan mode, the agent won't execute code yet. It will analyze your request and generate a series of questions to clarify exactly what data you need. Answer these questions to define the scope. For this build, tell the agent to focus on job titles, companies, and locations. Review the resulting project plan. If the steps and the proposed logic look correct, accept the plan to proceed. To begin the extraction, switch your mode from plan mode to bypass permissions. This hands control to the agent to start the work. You can watch the agent work through its to-do list, generating Python scripts and scraping instructions in the File Explorer as it moves through the site. If the agent encounters a scraping error, it will independently read the logs, find the cause, and rewrite the script until the task succeeds. This ability to autonomously troubleshoot and adapt to technical hurdles is what makes agentic workflows more resilient than traditional manual automations. Look for the confirmation in your chat window indicating that all target pages have been processed and the spreadsheet is ready. Go into your temporary folder and find the newly created Excel file containing your results. Inside, you'll find hundreds of rows of job listings, with each data point accurately sorted into its own column and row. You now have a custom tool that can be redeployed against any similar site, replacing hours of manual work with a single sentence.